Mobi-chair is composed of 6 different parts: the frame, 3 buoyant tires, and 2 floating armrests. Find a flat surface and lay down the parts where you plan to assemble it. First, install the rear tires. While doing this, the chair frame should lay flat on the ground. Arrange the 2 larger tires with the back of the chair frame so that the tires are properly aligned with the openings on the frame. Insert the screws into each tire plate and tighten them. Now it's time to install the front wheel. Arrange the small tire properly so that it is aligned with the front rod. The tire will click into place once aligned properly. Lock the tire into place by tightening and pushing down the locking handle. For the armrest installation, the wheelchair frame should be open. Insert the rear rod attached to the armrest into the opening on the backrest of the chair frame. The armrest will click into place once it is aligned correctly. Next, you will insert the front rod of the armrest into the opening on the seat of the chair frame. Lock the armrest into place by tightening the knob. You are now ready to use your Mobi-chair.
So lift up this armrest first, just fold it back. I'm going to pop one foot up in the chair, and one foot forward, reaching all the way across, and jump. And fold this armrest back over, and rest it. Getting out, pulling the armrest back out.